The number of computer viruses is some thousands. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. If 8085 is required to add two 32-bit numbers, the numbers of addition sequences is A1, B2, C4, D8. The correct answer is 4. Incompatibility between memory and I/O device may be due to A. Timing according to which data transfer is to take place. B. Electrical characteristics of the two devices. C. Format of data transfer. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. When the mains supply is switched off, the contents of primary computer memory are lost. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. 8255A is A programmable peripheral interface. B. I/O device. C. Memory chip. D. None of the above. The correct answer is programmable peripheral interface. The length of character constant P, BB, E, BC is A9, B6, C10, D7. The correct answer is 10. AL stands for A. Address latch enable. B. Accumulator latch enter. C. Address latch enter. D. Accumulator latch enable. The correct answer is address latch enable. The standard FORTRAN exponential form of decimal number 0.00000437 is A. 4.37A5, B. 4.37A4, C. 43.7A5, D. 43.7A4. The correct answer is 4.37A5. In FORTRAN 77, float 28 gives the value A. 28, B. 28, C. 28.0, D. None of the above. The correct answer is 28.0. FORTRAN 77 C and Pascal are high-level languages. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. Consider the following statement in FORTRAN 77. Read 11Y032. Which of the following is correct? A. Two values could be read and stored as x0, y0. B. Four values could be read and stored as x0, y0, x2, y2. C. Six values could be read and stored as x0, y0, y2, x3, y3. D. None of the above. The correct answer is 4 values could be read and stored as x0, y0, x2, y2. The combination of registers in 8085 is B, C, D, E, H, L only. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. An instruction used to set cany flag in a computer is classified as A. Data transfer. B. Arithmetic. C. Logical. D. Program control. The correct answer is arithmetic. In FORTRAN 77, the total number of characters in a variable can be a maximum of A6, B1, C8, D9. The correct answer is 6. The relational operators allowed in Pascal are A and B and C and D and. The correct answer is AND. In 8086, the instruction add LCH means the two 8-bit values in registers L and CH are added and result placed in register L. B. The two 8-bit values in registers L and CH are added and result placed in register CH. C. The two 16-bit values in registers L and CH are added and result placed in register L. D. The two 16-bit values in registers L and CH are added and result placed in register CH? The correct answer is the two 8-bit values in registers L and CH are added and result placed in register L. Almost all high-level languages have provision for logical operations. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. In which of the following 8085 instructions is the CY flag complemented? A. CMA. B. CMC. C. STC. D. RRC. The correct answer is CMC. Consider the following mnemonics. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1 and 3 only. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. A memory system has 9 chips. If MTBF of one clip is 900,000 hours, MTBF of complete memory system is A. 9 lakhs hours. B. 1 lakh hours. C. 81 lakhs hours. D. 18 lakhs hours. The correct answer is 1 lakh hours. If x 285.56 and the Pascal write statement used is write x8, then the printout will appear as A. 285.560, B. 2.85E02, C. 2.85560E02, D. 2.8E02. The correct answer is 2.8E02. For the infix expression A+B-C-D, the postfix notation is A+B-C-D, B+B-C-D, C+B-C-D, D. None of the above. The correct answer is A+B-C-D. Which of the following is also called handshaking programmed data transfer? A. Synchronous transfer. B. Asynchronous transfer. C. Interrupt driver transfer. D. Both A and C. The correct answer is asynchronous transfer. Which of the following is invalid in BASIC? A. ABC. B. 5.24.3. C. 5.24.3. D. 5.24.3. The correct answer is 5.24.3. An arithmetic statement in C must be A. Integer mode arithmetic statement. B. Real mode arithmetic statement. C. Mixed mode arithmetic statement. D. Any of the above. The correct answer is any of the above. In EPROM, integrated dose is defined as A. UV light intensity x exposure time in seconds. B. UV light intensity exposure time in seconds. C. Exposure time in seconds UV light intensity. D. None of the above. The correct answer is UV light intensity x exposure time in seconds. MS Outlook is a software for DTP. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. In 8086 a word OA50FH is stored in 02 and 03 memory locations. Then, AOFH is stored at location 02 and 0A5 at location 03 and address of word is 02. BOFH is stored at location 03 and 0A5 at location 02 and address of word in 02. COFH is stored at location 02 and 0A5 at location 03 and address of word is 03. DOFH is stored at location 03 and 0A5 at location 02 and address of word is 03. The correct answer is OFH is stored at location 02 and 0A5 at location 03 and address of word is 02. Cache memory size is about A few kilobyte, B about 500 kilobyte, C about 1 MB, D about 50 MB. The correct answer is a few kilobyte. In the words kilobyte or MB used describing memory capacity, the letter B denotes A bits, B bytes, C bits or bytes depending on type of memory, D bubbles. The correct answer is bits. In FORTRAN 77, negation is an unary operation. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. PowerPoint is a presentation software. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. In the expression of 523.248259, which operation will have the first priority in C? A 52, B 23.2, C 523.2, D 48. The correct answer is 52. MS Excel is an application software for financial planning. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. Consider the following statements. A 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. B 1, 3, 4 are correct. C 1, 2, 4 are correct. D 1, 2, 3 are correct. The correct answer is 1, 2, 4 are correct. Consider the following program for 8085 MVIA 00H MVIA 53H CMA. The contents of accumulator at the end of this program will be A OACH, B 53H, C OADH, D 54H. The correct answer is OACH. In Pascal, the repeat and while loops will terminate A only when the logical expression controlling the loop becomes true for both repeat and while loops. B only when the logical expression controlling the loop becomes false for both repeat and while loops. C only when the logical expression controlling the loop becomes true for repeat loop and false for while loop. D only when the logical expression controlling the loop becomes false for repeat loop and true for while loop. The correct answer is only when the logical expression controlling the loop becomes true for repeat loop and false for while loop. Which of the following statements is non-executable in FORTRAN 77? A do, B assign, C end, D dimension. The correct answer is dimension. In C, the range of real constants expressed in exponential form is A 2.3e37 to 2.3e37, B 3.4e38 to 3.4e38, C 3.4e37 to 3.4e37, D 2.3e38 to 2.3e38. The correct answer is 3.4e37 to 3.4e37. Consider the following in C. int k float a k 4.2 a 300. The values stored in computer memory for k and a are respectively a 4.2 and 300, b 4 and 300 respectively, c 4.2 and 300.00 respectively, D 4 and 300.00 respectively. The correct answer is 4 and 300.00 respectively. The statement implicit integer AF in FORTRAN identifies A. all variable names which begin with A, B, C, D, E or F as being of integer type. B. all character names which begin with A, B, C, D, E or F as being of integer type. C. all variable names which begin with A and have 6 characters. D. none of the above. The correct answer is all variable names which begin with A, B, C, D, E or F as being of integer type. The box on the external left of the title bar of menu is called control menu box. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. The maximum number of characters for variable names in C is A 4, B8, C12, D16. The correct answer is 8. An 8-bit wide 4-word sequential memory has A 8 4-bit shift registers, B 8 8-bit shift registers, C 4 8-bit shift registers, D FOUI 4-bit shift registers. The correct answer is 8 4-bit shift registers.